Language learning. My journey with English.
Learning a new language is never easy. When I started learning English, I felt shy and unsure. I wanted to speak, but my mouth wouldn't move. I understood words, but my heart was afraid to use them. One day, I decided to stop worrying. I told myself, it's okay to make mistakes. So, I started small, one word, one sentence. I watched short videos, listened to stories, and repeated what I heard. Little by little, English began to feel familiar. Some days were hard. I forgot words I just learned. I couldn't understand fast speakers. There were moments I wanted to quit, but I remembered why I started. I wanted to connect with people. That reason kept me going. After a few months, something changed. I understood songs on the radio. I ordered coffee in English without fear. I even made a friend who spoke only English. It wasn't perfect, but it was real. I was learning not just English, but confidence. Learning a language is like planting a tree. It doesn't grow in one day. You water it, wait, and keep caring for it. And one day, it becomes strong and beautiful. So if you are learning English too, don't give up. Listen every day. Speak when you can. Enjoy the small steps. You're already doing great.
Thanks for listening to this story. Listen to this story again anytime while you're driving, walking, or working out. See you in the next video.